Anticoagulants. What's anticoagulant? Anticoagulants are medicines that help prevent blood clots. They're given to people at a high risk of getting clots to reduce their chances of developing serious conditions such as strokes and heart attack. How do they work? Prevent blood clot formation. Uses of anticoagulant. Prevent thrombosis and embolism. What's the difference between thrombosis and embolism? Thrombosis happens when a blood clot, or thrombus, grows in blood vessels. This can reduce blood flow. An embolus is any foreign material that travels within the body. If it becomes stuck and severely blocks the flow of blood, the issue is called an embolism. Cautions of anticoagulant. Regular monitoring for bleeding complications. Side effects of anticoagulant. Hemorrhage. Bruising. Examples of anticoagulants. Warfarin. Heparin. Dabigatran.